Check out KingCamp Orchid, a hammock chair with footrest. Why is this chair one of the greatest innovations ever? Combine the idea of a chair and a hammock together and you will understand why. This head support pillow offers support and comfort. This mesh quilted material in the backrest and seat makes a structure which is soft, comfort and breathable to avoid sweating. Side pockets to put your drink, snacks, or anything you need. The KingCamp Orchid hammock chair is so easy to assemble and disassemble. The structure is very well built and sturdy, and it's very light at the same time so you can easily carry or transport your hammock chair everywhere. I love hammocks, but sometimes it is hard to read a book while laying on a hammock. But the adjustable backrest from a chair concept gives you the perfect comfort and position in this situation. That's why this product is one of the best innovations ever. You can lie down while using the hammock position, or you can sit using the rock chair position. All you have to do is to adjust the backrest. This chair is so cozy and comfortable that you can even sleep on it through the night or take a nap during the day. No wonder KingCamp is the king of camping products. Go and grab your chair and enjoy life.